You know, we could just go start a fire. On the grill, I mean.
But there's bugs.
Oh, right.
Oh.
There's cicadas.
Yeah.
They're gonna get you. Never really thought about doing it this way. You've enlightened me. I mean, why do people waste time with campfires?
I usually do it on the stove, but I don't have the coils. Like on the stove, you put it
Oh,
on
like
the
an
coil,
electric?
it catches fire automatically.
Really?
Like the other kind of stoves, yeah.
Oh. It smells like matches in here. That marshmallow